Next, what we want to do is click this to get this. All right. So to do that, what we will do is to create a use state. I'll just paste it here to save time. So we're creating a state which is search open, and we're setting it to false initially. So what we'll be doing here is, what we're going to do next is to add another div here so we can add conditionals, because there has to be only one parent div. See, already giving me squiggly lines, so I just move this inside that one div and everything is fine. So I just render this conditionally. And if this is, so if it's open is false, then show me this. All right, show me this. But then if it's not, show me this. Okay, now we have that down. We just add a little bit of styling to this div so we know it's working. Last name, let's just say BG White, BG White. Change this. Sorry, I forgot to import. Use state here. Let's just do that. Use state. And if you're using use state, you have to use client. Here, else it won't work. All right. So for this div, I want to add an on-click event. So once I click, I want to set callback and to set search open to true. Okay. Add something here, search this. All right, see, works. So let's work on this. All right, what do we want? We want a back icon, text here. So would you like the heat? A search, 2 icons for list and create, an options icon here for this drop down, and then the actual search result display. All right, let's go. So first, I would just put everything in here. This would be the icon. It's just back. Yeah, this is it. Copy this. Is it there? What else? Yeah, H1. Next, we have a div containing all of this. And that show. All right. So in this input, we have this icon, this search icon here. All we need to do is make this a div, and then now we can put the input there. and then the icon, search icon. All right. AI. Next thing to add is both of these icons here. So for the first one, we have the grid icon, grid or list icon there. And we have forgot to comment this. All right, so this would be here, but would be grid. The next all would be options. All right. This side of here, I want to put two icons, which would be one for the list view and one for the grid view. So let's go grid. There you are. Okay. Then lists. It. All right. And then next we add one for the options. Options. Now we can save and confirm. All right. So let's make this background a little bit bigger and so I'm saying minimum height should be full screen and the maximum height, maximum content. All right. So save this. That's it. Then save this. Zero. Wait. Display effects, bring it to the middle. Insert 0. Make list direction column. Nice. All right. So let's start the rest of this. Start with this. So this is give a class name. Make the text really large. Yeah, let's it's smaller. Now for this area, one is to display effects. One, justify the center. Align item center. And then for this, on top a placeholder. And then 3 and other leave. Let's leave that at 10. Save this. All right, let's move this um, search into the box. I'm going to give this a class name or relative. And then this class name. So I'd say absolute left 5 and top 4. Save this. There you have it. So the reason why you're not seeing this clearly is because remember we made the background white and this is not particularly white. So to get this, since we don't have this on Figma, we can just use this color picker. I already have mine. This is the color. Okay. All right. So we can make this gold. A little bit in the right places. And then we'll move on to this other tool here. For this list and grid icons, we want them to be showing one per time depending on the display we choose. So we're going to just add a new state to this. We just, I'll call this is grid. I'll say set is grid. This grid will be true at first. Okay. This grid is true. And condition for this is I want to only show this is if is I want to only show this if is grid is false. Okay, this should be with a G. Okay. All right. And then I just have this. And then for this to this grid is true. Show this. Save this. Check it out. It's gone. So I need to add an on-click function to change is grid for both of them. So just on-click. This will take in function, which just say set is grid to. If I click is grid, I want to set that to true. And if I click this one and just copy this, set it to false. So false, save that. And we have this. Now it says switches. So let's make this bigger and make this more exciting. Okay. So for this, you just need to add a padding to the bottom. Margin, sorry. Margin bottom 3. And goes down and a margin top of 6. And increase this back to And here we need to move this over. And this is absolute. 2, 4, left, 4. Save this. Too close to that. Let's make it bigger too. It's extra large. 2x large. Okay, that's big enough. Let's move this down a little bit more. At the top. Padding around it. 3. Nice padding. Make that 4. Alright. Nice padding around that. And just make this back button a little bit bigger. Alright, nice. And take this down a bit more. Okay, very nice. And okay, now we're already with the top. Let's make this, say the class name, so it just affects everything inside the div. Give it a background of white. Make it curved. Give it a padding of 2 pixels. And then save that. Oh, I need to increase the one inside the size, so that'll be text. So let's alright, perfect. So I'll just copy this down for this shunt because literally the same thing. Alright, now we have this. So you press left as it. I'm coming this out. We're say search this layer. There you go after it. This is where I display my search. Alright, so for my search I want the container with an image, name, shop name, and price. Alright, so let's build this. This should be the main gear, and eventually I'll have to display this from an API, so I'll just make position from now. Alright, so image, what is important to the video, we have to give it a width and a height. That was their base. With a width of 400 and the height of 100. So for the image source, I'll just get it from my public folder, images, VG, Barbara, food VG4. So after remove the public, also will work. Then I'll give you this extra styles. I want the width to be the full point. So let's see what we have here first. Okay. Here are two details here. One called the switching. And shop name. So this one is a Spanish, so you can easily handle the defense diving. Shop. And this is the price. So change the sensor. Alright, nice. So this will give us a styling of DG words. Going to make it a bit curvy, rounded, large. So this has it. Alright. Yeah. Give a bit of shadow. This should be transparent. Increase the text to increase the flash with it. For this, increase the text to extra large. So then you just come out with the green. Okay, so we want to get this just a bit padding here. So we put the both of this in a div. And then is it that the padding or T. It works. And it has a set for the image, or make the width full. Then the height will be 36. Okay, so yeah, let's leave this go there. Push it down a little bit. So let's say clasp margin top. Very nice. And I have to make the image rounded at the top too. So 100. So bearish. 3. Alright. Time to make this work. Before that, notice how this picture is stretched. So if we just did the object cover, it's a bit nicer now. Alright, so you have our list view. If we just duplicate this, some more, save it, you can see we have our list view. With a little bit of spacing will be good. Now we're going to work on the grid view. Easiest way to do that is to render the styling conditionally. So how they do that is to go here and say, now we can say at least let's just do it. I'm going to do this, else I had to do Linux. For the list display, all we have to do here is display this flex and display the flex direction to be column. Want to add a gap between the this, the same breeds, and in column G, and the mid side screens, with column 3, and then also give it a gap of 4, and a bit to low. Save this, and we have the breed view, column, breeds, column, grades. So now, if I do this, then I create this, I get this view showing like this. Alright, so last element here, the price filter. So what we do here is we create a div and give it a class name of margin y, which is top and bottom of 1, and then we display this flex. Inside of this div, we'll go to create 2 different divs, or create one and duplicate, because we are literally writing the same, almost the same thing inside the both of them. So here we are, a key tag. Where is it called? Minimum price. As is really price. And balance. Item is the input. Which is a type of number. So you duplicate this, styles are the same, so just styling, let's save this, you will adapt over true, save that, aggressive layout, plus then the the width maybe 12, and this is a little bit rounded, and then right at the top and bottom with the width. So we're going to display just a the center. I'm going to alignment center. Alright, so stupid place. I will move the padding. Nice. And then yeah, you just three. So wait, that's another space. And then I can duplicate this now. This will be max 7 price. Going to give there a justify between. Alright. This looks nice. Now I want to close and open them when I toggle this. And I want a little bit more space in between, so I'm just going to increase the margin to align toggle limits. That's nice. And the toggle. So for this particular filter, close it. So I want to create another state which is filter open, and then set is filter open. Shares the odds of the false. Choice that will just open and then close it. Find the check me. Filters open then display. Alright, so I can do this now. Oh, I need to add that. I'll click to that. Where is that? Where is it? See, I'm already looking at this stuff. Alright, so then I'll click here. I'll click and I'll click this set open. That is wrong. What's the end? And right there, translate the N. Set it to the opposite of whatever it is right now. Alright, so I can just easily toggle this off, on, open, close. By the next video, we'll be working on the algorithm for our search and using the search results as our display. We'll also be adding the price filters to that. And if this video helped you or you liked the video, please like and subscribe. That's all for now. See you in the next one.